Hi, this is Kit Welchlin. Today's video is on business etiquette. What is the etiquette for business meetings? Kit, whenever we have someone important stopping by our office, we're on high alert, on our best behavior. We want to be on our toes from the minute the VIP arrives until they leave. We want to impress. It would be fantastic if we knew how to choreograph the process, the sequence, the event, to make sure we did as well as we could. Often we know in advance who is visiting our office and when. If you happen to be the person that greets the client and escorts them to the meeting, it's a good idea to brush up on your business etiquette skills. Greet them by saying, "Hello, Mr. Smith. My name is Kit Welchlin with Welchlin Communication Strategies. I'm here to escort you to our office." If you need to maneuver a revolving door, walk up to the revolving door first and with your right hand start pushing. Gesture with your left hand and say, "Please," after you. Walk in the revolving door after them and do the heavy pushing. Next is the elevator. Walk ahead and push the button. Stand outside the elevator and hold the door so you can put your arm out to hold the door and say, "Please," after you. When you arrive at your floor, hold out your arm again to hold the door until all have exited. If you are the receptionist, it might be a good idea to ask the boss if they want a heads up, a 5-minute warning before an appointment. Giving them a few moments to get ready may help them to set up a successful meeting. Be direct with your coworkers to stay away until after the guest arrives, and you promise to follow up with them as soon as you can. Whenever your guest arrives, stand up and greet them by saying, "Hello, Mr. Smith. Let me tell Jill Johnson you're here." Consider going to Jill's door as opposed to calling her. Offer the guest a seat in the reception area and gesture in the direction of the seating area, facing your palm up and directing them to the chairs or sofa. Have reading materials, preferably about your organization or at least a related business or industry magazine, or today's newspaper on a coffee table or in a reading stand in the reception area. If they end up waiting a minute or two, you'll need to evaluate whether to attempt chit-chat. If they start to read the newspaper, don't try to make conversation. If they sit and smile at you, then ask them how their day is going so far. When walking them to the meeting room or an office, try not to turn your back to them completely. Walk with your torso on the diagonal so you can continue the conversation. Open the door for your guest and then close it behind them. If they're headed to a conference room and need to set up, lead them to the conference room and then make sure it's the correct room. Make sure they have everything they need, Wi-Fi, cords, beverages, lights, sound, etc. Now, if you're leading the meeting, be respectful of your guest's time and stick to the schedule and the agenda. After the meeting, touch base to review and confirm key points that were discussed. Follow up on the next steps right away after the meeting to show that you are serious about moving forward and on top of things moving along, and you are trustworthy. If you're the receptionist and have an unexpected guest, make them feel welcome right away. Make eye contact, smile, greet them with good morning or good afternoon. Welcome to Welchlin Communication Strategies. How may I help you? As you know, I'm the face of our company, and with these strategies, I am now completely confident in how we conduct ourselves when customers and clients stop by. This will give us a great start, and my highly professional staff will take it from there. Thank you for watching this video on business etiquette. What is the etiquette for business meetings? If your organization is struggling with being effective around the conference table, contact me at kit@welchlin.com and I'll provide some strategies that will make you wildly effective in the boardroom.